Okay, we've sauteed our onions and we've sauteed our shrimp. Now we have the pan back in here. I've taken the shrimp out. Now what I want to do is get the heat up here a little bit. I'm going to add my onions and tomatoes back in here. This is going to make our sauce. And I have some frozen, thawed, and drained spinach. That's going to add some nice color and texture to the sauce. Let me get that up. Put the heat up there. Salt and pepper. I see a lot of nice bubbling. I'm going to add a dry white Greek wine. There we go. And we're going to let that bubble away for a few minutes, and when we come back, we're going to finish this dish.